So this is really cool to look at, and it's got two different settings. It's got low and high, and then just a flame if you want to enjoy just the fireworks settings. Honestly, even on low though, this heats up a room really quick. Set it over to high, and in like 10-15 minutes it filled up the room. It's nice and warm. And then the other cool thing is, as soon as it tips or tilts in any way, it shuts itself off. If you pick it up, it shuts off. So, prevents those accidents where maybe something gets kicked over, if you have pets or anything. It does not keep going. It shuts off completely. So that's really nice.
I love this thing. It's really nice. It's just, love the flame. Gives off a little setting. Yes, it really is nice. Sit back and relax.